This is regular formula. If n is greater than m, 1 over a to the power of n minus m. When the plus and minus signs are given in the problem, take the LCM. That's the procedure. Fifth class says a by b to the power of m, a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m. Hello, my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramanian, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram, First Grade College, a Temple of Excellence. Today, we are going to deal quantitative techniques of fourth semester, Unit 1, Session 3, regarding the indices and logarithms. I told in the last session, you must earn the proper formula for these. We already told that when the base is common, exponent can be added. What is indices? I already told you the plural form of index is called indices. So if we assume that the last problems now, when the base are common, simple example, a to the power of m, a to the power of n, when the base is common, exponent can be added. That is a to the power of m plus n. It may be b to the power of 1, b to the power of 2, it is b to the power of 1 plus 2. So what the law says now, if the base are common, exponent can be added. If the base are common, exponent can be added. So then, second formula also we are learned. By chance, if you feel difficulty when you are solving the problem, you just see that how I am going to solve the problem. Very slowly I will going to solve the problem, and all goes with a good base. We'll move on to problem now. So this is your formula. A to the power of m, a to the power of m is a to the power of m plus n. A to the power of m divided by a to the power of m. If m is greater than n, then a to the power of m minus n. If n is greater than n, then 1 over, this is regular formula. If n is greater than m, 1 over a to the power of n minus m. So 2 to the power of 5 divided by 2 to the power of 3, it is 2 to the power of 5 minus 3. So 5 to here 4 is more, 1 divided by 5 to the power of 4 minus 2, 5 square is 25. So this a to the power of m to the power of n is a to the power of mn. See that it should be in the bracket. You should be very careful in the bracket. 2 4s are 8. That is 3 to the power of 8. AB to the power of m, a to the power of m, b to the power of m. 2 into 3 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5. 3 to the power of 5. Fifth class says a by b to the power of m, a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m. 5 by 4 to the power of 4, where this is 5 to the power of 4. This is nothing but 5 to the power of 2 divided by 4 to the power of 2. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. A to the power of minus n 1 over, b to the power 1 root, no. By chance if you write like this, root 6, it is 6 to the power of half. If you write root 8, it is 8 to the power of half. If you write cube root 8, 8 to the power of 1 by 3. It will go like this. See that I have written 25 into 1 by 3. We'll move on to problem now. Slowly we are going to simplify this. 6 to the power of m by 2 into 10 to the power of m minus 1, 25 to the power of half, 2 to the power of 2m minus 2 into 15m, 6 to the power of 16 to the power of 3 by 4, 27 to the power of 2 by 3. Go with the slowly simplification. First is 6. You can write this one. 2 into 3 to the power of m plus 2. 10 can be written as 2 into 5 to the power of m minus 1. 25 can be written as 5 square to the power of half, divided by, this is 2 to the power of 2m minus 2. 15 can be written as 3 into 5 to the power of m. Make it simply into 2 and 3 form. This is 16. This is 2 to the power of 4. No, 2 2s are 4. 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16 to the power of 3 by 4 into 27, 3 threes are 9, 9 threes are 27, 3 cube to the power of 2 by 3. I made it simplify in the form of 2 and 3. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, you have to go like this. Simplification. This is AB to the power of m plus 2. You can write like this. 2 to the power of m plus 2 into 3 to the power of m plus 2. I have written 2 to the power of m plus 2, 3 to the power of m plus 2. This can be written as 2 to the power of m minus 1, 5 to the power of m minus 1. This can be written as, this is nothing but this formula, am to the power of mn. This is 5 to the power of 2 by 2 divided by, this can be written as 2 to the power of 2m into 2 to the power of minus 2. This can be written as 3 to the power of m into 5 to the power of m. This can be written as 4 into 12 divided by 4. Then this can be written as 3 into 6 divided by 3. So I have simplified this. This I have written 2 to the power of m plus 2, 3 to the power of m plus 2, 2 to the power of m minus 1, 5 to the power of m minus 1. Then I have written this is 5 to the power of 2 by 2, 2 to the power of 2m minus 2, 3 to the power of m, 5 to the power of m, then 2 to the power of 12 by 4. Simplify with 2 and 3. You take the 2 as a base. 2. What is the first one? M plus 2. Right. This over. Then come back. What is next one? M minus 1. This over. Then here no 2. Here 2m. Come out to come minus 2m. Plus 2m become. Minus 2 become plus 2. Here no. 2 to the power of 4 3s are 12 by 4. 2 to the power of 12 divided by 4. 2 cube. This is nothing but, we can simplify this. 16 to the power of 3 by 4. This is, we can write this 2 to the power of 4 into 3 to the power of 4. This is 2 to the power of 3. This becomes the 2 to the power of 3. 4 3s are 2 square. 2 to the power of 3. So plus 3 become minus 3. I think understand now? This is 2 to the power of 4 by 3. 4 4 cancel out. 2 cube plus 2 cube becomes minus 2 cube. Come back to 3. 3 m plus 2. Then there is no 3 here, no, minus m. 3 2s are 6, minus 2. Come back to 5. 5 to the power of m minus 1. 2 1s are 2. 5 plus 1. Come back here, minus m. That's all. Come back here. See that m plus m 2m minus 2m plus 2 plus 4 minus 1 minus 4 cancelled out. This is 2 to the power of 0. Come back here. Mm cancelled out. 2 2 cancelled out. This is 3 to the power of 0. Mm cancelled out. 1 1 cancelled out. It is 5 to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. This is 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1. If you feel difficulty here, you will simplify that. 16 to the power of 3 by 4. This can be written as 2 to the power of 4 into 3 by 4. This can be simplified. 4 that cancelled out. This is 2 cube. If we come outside, plus 3 becomes minus 3 I have taken. This is 4 cancelled 3 by 2. 4 3 is a 2 cube cancelled out. So simplify this. I think understand this. So anything to the power of 0 is 1. So I simplify in the form of 2, in the form of 3. Simplify that. And I took the 2 as a base, 3 as a base, 5 as a base. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. So we'll go to next one. This is simplify. 3 into 2 to the power. This can be written as 3 into 2 to the power of n into 2 to the power of 1 plus 2 to the power of n divided by, this can be written as 2 to the power of n into 2 to the power of 1 minus, this can be written as 2 to the power of n into 2 to the power of minus 1. When the plus and minus signs are given in the problem, take the LCM, that is a procedure. What I have written here, 2 to the power of n, 2 to the power of 1 plus 2 to the power of n, 2 to the power of n, 2 to the power of 1 minus 2 to the power of n, 2 to the power of minus 1. Simplify this. You take the 2 to the power of n outside, left over 3 into 2 is 6. Ones are, we have taken 2 to the power of n is common. So ones are, come back here. You take 2 to the power of n as a common. What is left over? This is 2 minus 1 into 2 to the power of minus 1. Cancel this. What is left over? 7 divided by 2 minus 1 into 1 by 2. 2 to the power of minus 1 is 1 by 2. So take the LCM, 7. 2 is the LCM. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 1 1s are. This is 7 is the bottom here, carefully. This is 3 by 2. In the bottom, you have got 6 plus 1, 7. This is 2 to the power of n, 2 to the power of n gone. You must be careful. What is left over? 2. 2 to the power of means here 1 by 2. This is 7. You must be very careful. Here 2 to the power of n, 2 left over. This is cancelled out, 2 left over. This is 1 into 2 to the power of n. This is 1 by 2. If you take the 2, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are, this is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is the common, 7. I will repeat the same. Here 3 into 2 to the power of n. How to simplify? 3, 2 to the power of m, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of n is there. Then come back here, 2 to the power of n, 2 to the power of 1 minus 2 to the power of n minus 2 to the power of minus 1. This is 1 over 2 into 1 is there here. Here simplify this. We can simplify this. This is 7. You got 7 divided by 2. 2 to 1s are 1 into 2 to the power of minus 1. This is 2 is there. 2 to the power of n, 2 is there. This is 7, 2. 1 2s are. This is 1 by 2. So take the LCM. 7. 2 is the LCM. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 1. 2 1s are 1 1s are. This is 3 by 2. So it is 7 divided by 3 by 2. If we take this now, it is 7 into 2 by 3. This is 14 by 3. Or we can simplify this also. I have taken 2 to the power of n over. This is 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. This is 2 to the power of n. How much left over? 2 to the power of 1 is 2. We can simplify this. Minus 1s are into 2 to the power of minus 1. This I have written like this. This is 2 to the power of n. 6 plus 1, 7. Here, 2 to the power of n. This is 2 to the power of 1 is 2. Minus 1. What is 2 to the power of minus 2? This is 1 over 2. What I simplified this? This is 7, 2 minus 1 over 2. This is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. What I did now? 2 LCM. 1 2s are 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 1 1s are. This is 3 by 2. What I have written? 3 by 2. If we make now, this is 14 by 3. Simplify. Slowly simplify this. Then we'll move on to next one. 2 to the power of half, 3 to the power of 1 by 3, 4 to the power of 1 by 4. This can be solely simplified. 2 to the power of half, 3 to the power of 1 by 3 into 2 square to the power of 1 by 4 divided by this into 2 square to the power of minus 3 by 5. 6 can be written as 3 into 2 divided by 2 into 5 to the power of minus 1 by 5 into 5 to the power of 3 by 5 into 3 to the power of 4 by 3 into 5 to the power of minus 7 by 5. Simplify this. This can be written as 2 to the power of half into 3 to the power of 1 by 3 into 2 to the power of 2 by 4. This can be written as 2 to the power of minus 6 by 5 into 3 to the power of 1 into 2 to the power of 1 divided by 2 to the power of minus 1 by 5, 5 to the power of minus 1 by 5 into 5 to the power of 3 by 5 into 3 to the power of 4 by 3 into 5 to the power of minus 7 by 5. I've simplified bit bottom. So you take the 2 as a base. If you take the 2 as a base, 2, what is the first number? 1 by 2 plus 2 by 4 is half, 1 by 2 minus 6 by 5 plus 1 divided by 1. Minus 1 by 5 become plus 1 by 5. Then any 2 is there? No. Simplify this. Here 2. You take the 10 as the LCM. 2 5s are 5 1s are. 2 5s are 5 1s are. 5 2s are 2 6 are. 1 10s are 10 1s are. 5 2s are 2 1s are 2. So 5 plus 5, 10 plus 2. What is over? This is 2 to the power of 10 divided by 10. This is 2 to the power of 1. So this goes in favor of 2. Then come back to 3. 3 to the power of 1 by 3. This over plus 1. Here plus 4 by 3 comes minus 4 by 3. In 3. 3 to the power of 1 by 3. 3 to the power of 1. Here, no 3. 3 to the power of 4 by 3. So, if we take the 3 as a common, 3 ones are 1 ones are 1 threes are 3 threes are 3 ones are 1 fours are. This is 3 to the power of 4 minus 4. 3 to the power of 0 is 1. Here 2, this one. What is left over? 5. Slowly. So 1 we got 2, 1 has got 1, 5. Here no 5 is there. Here see that? 5 to the power of bottom here minus 5 plus 3 by 5 minus 7 by 5. So 5 to the power of, if we take the 5 as a common, 5 ones are 5, 1 ones are minus 1, plus 5 ones are 1 threes are. This is 7 by 5, 5 ones are minus 7. This is 5 minus 7 minus 5 minus 8. This is minus 5 divided by 5. This is 5 to the power of minus 1. If we come outside, what is left over now? 2 to the power of 1, t to the power of 0. Then 5 to the power of minus 1, it will come 1 by 5. This becomes 5. 5 to the power of minus 1, if we come outside, it becomes 5. So this is 2 into 1 into 5 is equal to 10. 10 is that. So 5 to the power of minus 1, if we take outside, becomes the 5. So it becomes 2 to the power of 1, 3 into 5 is 10. We'll move on to next problem now. 243 to the power of n divided by 5. So 343 can be written as 3 to the power of 5. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 into 81. 81 into 3 is 240. 3 4 into n divided by 5. This is, we can write 3 to the power of 2n into 3 to the power of 1 divided by, this can be written as 3 square to the power of n. This can be written as 3 to the power of n into 3 to the power of minus 1. Right. 5 cancelled out. What is left over? 3 to the power of n. So I cancelled out n. 3 to the power of 2n. 3 to the power of 1. This is 2n. If we come that side, no. Minus into 3 to the power of minus 2n plus into 3 to the power of minus n minus 1, 3 to the power of 1. So take the 3 n plus 2n plus 1 minus 2n minus n plus 1. So 2n cancelled out, n cancelled out, plus 1 is 2. This is 3 square. 3 square is 9. Simplify. Slowly we have simplified. So 3 square is equal to 9. Next, move on to next problem. Find the value of 16 divided by 81. This can be written as 2 to the power of 4, 3 to the power of 4 to the power of minus 3 by 4. 2 to the power of 4, 3 to the power of 4 minus 3 by 4. Or we can write 2 by 3 to the power of 4 into minus 3 by 4. Cancel. What is left over? 2 by 3 to the power of minus 3. This can be written as reverse 3 by 2 to the power of 3. This is nothing but 3 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 2 cube, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. See that what I did now? 2 to the power of 4, 3 to the power of 4 to the power of minus 3 by 4, or 2 by 3 to the power of 4 divided by 3. This is nothing but 2 by 3 to the power of minus 3. Inverse the data, 3 by 2 to the power of 3, 3 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 3, 3 to the power of 3 is 27, 2 to the power of 3 is 8. We'll move on to next problem. Prove that 3x, 5y, 15z, z is equal to xy into x plus 1. You can put, when the power has been given, and put the unknown number of x. You can write like this. 3 to the power of x is equal to k, or 3 is equal to k to the power of 1 over x. Same thing. 5 to the power of y is equal to k, or 5 is equal to k to the power of 1 over y. Then 15 to the power of z is equal to k, or 15 is equal to k to the power of 1 over z. Then we know that three into 5 is 15. What is 3? K to the power of 1 over x. What is 5? K to the power of 1 over y. What is 15? K to the power of 1 over z. When the base or common component can be added, this is k to the power of 1 over x plus 1 over y is equal to k to the power of 1 over z. Here k is there. You can write 1 over x plus 1 over y is equal to 1 over z. So we can write that xy common. What is left over? Y plus x is equal to 1 over z. So cross multiply z into x plus y is equal to xy. Z into x plus y is equal to xy. Z into x plus y is equal to xy. Cross multiply. So you know that when the base are common, exponent can be added. 1 over x, 1 over y, 1 over z. So this is cancelled out. What's left over? 1 over x, 1 over. I took the xy as a common. X gone, y left over, y gone. X plus 1 over z. Cross multiply. Z into x plus y is equal to xy. We'll move on to next one. A to the same thing. A to the power of x, b to the power of y, c to the power of z is equal to. Prove that xyz is equal to 1, he say. A to the power of x, he say. A to the power of x is equal to b. What is a? C to the power of z to the power of x is equal to b. This is not c to the power of zx is equal to b. What is c? B to the power of y to the power of zx is equal to b. This is nothing but b to the power of xyz is equal to b. This is 1. So BB, therefore x, y, z is equal to 1. What I did now? A to the power of x is equal to b. What is a? C to the power of z to the power of x is b. Then c to the power of zx is equal to b. What is then c? C is equal to b to the power of y. So b to the power of y zx is equal to b. So b cancelled out, power 1. So x, y, z is equal to 1. We'll move on to next one. 2 to the power of x, t to the power, same thing. 2 to the power of x is equal to k. So 2 is equal to k to the power of 1 over x. 3 to the power of y is equal to k. This is 3 is equal to k to the power of 1 over y. 12 to the power of z is equal to k. 2 to the power of x is equal to k. 2 is equal to k to the power of 1 over x. 3 to the power of y is equal to k. 3 is equal to k to the power of 1 over y. 12 to the power of z is k. 12 is equal to k to the power of 1 over z. We can write this. 2 square into 3 is equal to 12. 2 square into 3 is equal to 12. What is 2? K. K 1 over x whole square into, what is your 3? K to the power of y. What is 12? K to the power of 1 over z. This is nothing but k to the power of 2 divided by x into k to the power of 1 over y, k to the power of 1 over z. Or this can be written as 2 to the power of x plus 1 to the power of y is equal to 1 to the power of z. 1 over z is equal to 1. This is plus this is. Prove that 1 over z is equal to 1 to the power of y plus 2 to the power of x. Same thing. Then we move on to next one. 3 to the power of x, this is 3 to the power of x is equal to k. 3 is equal to, what is that? K to the power of 1 over x. 5 to the power of y is equal to k. What is 5? K to the power of 1 over y. Then 75 to the power of z is equal to k. 75 is equal to k to the power of 1 over z. So 3 into 5 square is equal to 75. 3 into 5 square is 75. What is 3? K to the power of 1 over x. Then what is 5? K to the power of 1 over y square. What is 75? K to the power of 1 over z. This is nothing but k to the power of 1 over x, k to the power of 2 divided by y, k to the power of 1 over z. When the base are common, exponent can be added. This is 1 over x plus 2 over y is equal to 1 over z. Or if we take the xy as common, so x gone, y is there, y gone, x is there, is equal to 1 over z. Cross multiply z into x plus y is equal to xy. Proved. Last one. X to the power of a to the power of b, x to the power of b divided by x to the power of a. This can be written as x to the power of a minus b to the power of a plus b. You take the plus b become power minus. This can be written as x to the power of b minus c to the power of b plus c into x to the power of c minus a whole to the power of c plus a. So x is common here. We can write x to the power of a minus b into a plus b into x to the power of b minus c into b plus c into x to the power of c minus a into c plus a. This can be written as a plus b into a minus b is x to the power of a squared minus b squared into x to the power of b squared minus c squared into x to the power of c squared minus a squared. This is x to the power of a squared minus b squared plus b squared minus c squared plus c squared minus a squared. A squared cancelled out. B squared cancels. This is x to the power of 0, which is 1. So you must know the formula. A minus b into a plus b is a squared minus b squared. Hope you understand this problem. I have solved all the problem here. The second one, no, you may feel difficult here. Here, no, you must be very careful. 3, I have written 2 to the power of n, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of n. I have written this 2 to the power of n, 2 to the minus 2 to the power of n, 2 to the power of minus 1. 3 2s are 6, 2n common, plus 2 to the 1 time. Here 2 to the power of n is over. 2 to the power of 1 is 2 minus 2 to the power of n gone 1 time. 2 to the power of minus 1, 1 by 2. This is half I have written. I took the LCM here. I took the LCM as 2. 1 2s are 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 1 1s are. This is 3 by 2. 7 3 by 2. Inverse data I have done. Hope we have solved about 10 problems here. All the problems goes with a good base of. So power base, when the base are common, exponent can be added. All we have solved. About so many problems we have solved. In the next class, we'll go with the logarithm without log table. In the next class, please, student, you bring the logarithm table which has got log and anti-log. Bring the logarithm table which has got log and anti-logs are considered. Hope you'll have it too in your home. Log and anti-log. When I say log, you have to look after the log. No, that's why you must have logarithm, log and anti-log in the next class. Okay. Hope you understand this problem. I have solved about 10 problems here. Totally 25 to 30 problems I solved. Hope you understand. We'll meet in the next class with the logarithm, with the logarithm, without logarithm and with the logarithm. First we go with the without logarithm, then go with the logarithm. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class with the logarithm. Till then, hope God will keep you well. Hope practice, more that arrive the figure. Okay, meet in the next class with logarithms.